Hi everyone! In this video today I will be unboxing the brand new TAIHE monitor, portable monitor actually. This was a Kickstarter campaign and today I received it by surprise because I never got a tracking number about this item having shipped, and some people in Kickstarter are wondering if they actually shipped their orders or not. But anyway, thing is that I got it today and I got it in the United States for those that are wondering. They shipped it by UPS, so if you're in the US and you're expecting the monitor, it should come pretty soon. They shipped it by UPS ground, so maybe it will take a few days to get here, to get to you. So I got it here, and this is the 1080p version. I didn't order the 4K or the 4K with touchscreen. This is just the plain 1080p version, which should also be a touchscreen, and that's something that I'll need to find out later. So as you can see, the package, I got this box, and it's the 15.6 inch model, resolving power. I don't know why they said resolving power. It should actually set resolution or something like that. It's the 1080p version, and the box is really simple. On the back, doesn't have anything at all. Yeah, that's pretty much it about the box. Now the camera is starting to focus. Yeah, something's a little messy. You can see that the box actually has here some damage, probably some shipping damage. It also didn't have any tapes or something like protecting it, so pretty much I can just take this up and start the unboxing. So we have this cardboard here, and we can see the TAIHE monitor. I'm not sure if that's how it's spelled, but we can see that we have the monitor here, TAIHE, and that's the first thing that we'll see here. And I'm going to take it out so that you can see it. It's pretty. The monitor is kind of pretty, and you can see the back of it. That it's gray, black or gray, something. I'm not sure if it seems like it's dark gray, depending on the light, because right now I see it gray, and yeah, I think it's gray. Okay, so we have the power button here. We have power button is here because it says here brightness button, volume button, settings button, I guess, back button, and I believe this is a speaker. And then we have on the other side, we have the ports. It has two USB-C ports here. It has two USB 2.0 ports. Actually, I cannot see the extra pins because usually blue is used to the blue color is for USB 3 ports, but in this case I don't see the extra pins, so I'm pretty sure that this is USB 2.0 port. And we have two HDMIs here, and also we have a headphone jack here and the other speaker because it has a built-in speaker. And as for the stand, I think let's see how it opens. Yeah, there we go. As for the stand, that's apparently how it opens. But yeah, this is the monitor. Let's continue unboxing and see if we can find out more stuff inside. We have here an HDMI cable that comes with it. We have here a USB-C cable to USB-A. We have here a USB-C to USB-C cable as well. And we have, it has a remote control. And we have here a power charger. And this is rated 12 volts, 2 amps. So that's rated 12 volts, 2 amps. This is a USB-C charger. I don't think this will be safe to use with other USB-C devices because it doesn't specify 5 volts here, so just be careful. But it is a USB-C charger. Okay, so that's it. We finished unboxing this box content. So we have the charger here, and now I'm going to start taking out the stuff that's in the bags. So we can see here that this is the remote, and let's see if this I don't think this will turn on. It should have a battery, I think, because obviously that's the charger, but it doesn't turn on, so it probably needs to be charged. We have the control. We have the USB-C cable here, which can be used to connect phones to the display. Then we have a USB-A to USB-C cable, and we have here the HDMI cable. So pretty much comes back with the cables that we essentially need to use the display. We just need to actually plug the display and see how it works. So this is the monitor again. Let's see if I can put it somewhere in between, because it seems that opening the kickstand here may be a little bit of a problem. Okay, so there we go. I got it to open. And pretty much this concludes this unboxing video. Thank you all for watching, and I'm going to be testing the display to see if it works as advertised, because it should have a touchscreen and all of that stuff. And so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment on it. Don't forget to also subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Thank you all.